Hello, my name is Ezra. I'm in the club Saddle Up. I'm in 2nd grade. I'm in my family garden, and I'm here to show you about it. Today, I'm going to show you how to plant green beans. Sow seeds when soil is warm and all danger of frost is past. Plant 2 seeds every 4 inches. You can make a hole with your finger. Put 2 seeds in one, cover it up, and then put one right here. Then take that rock out. Then get 2 more. Put those in, then 1 inch, and cover it up. At about 3 weeks, this is what you should expect to see. You should expect to see at 8 weeks. This is a baby flower. It's a baby green bean. This is a little bit bigger green bean, and this is one that's supposed to be picked. This is how you harvest a green bean. You don't want to just rip it with your hand. If you do that, you could destroy the stem, and then with the other hand, you pull it gently. It's up for you for dinner. This is what we got to pick today. These are green beans that aren't doing very good. You see this one? This one doesn't look good. You see this one? This one does look good. We'll have to watch it. Water your green beans every day. We have an overhead sprinkler. I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe you'll want to grow green beans too. Want to see the rest of the garden? That's so. This is a lemongrass bulb. These are roses. This helps with pollination. This is yellow squash. This is zucchini. This is radish. These are green peppers, and these are carrots. These are my carrots that I planted. They take a while to grow. Oriental beans. These are green beans, and these are sugar snap peas. These are cucumbers. That's a cucumber. These are tomatoes. These are sunflowers. You know you can eat the seeds from them? These are pumpkins we planted in an old tire we painted. This is watermelon. Do you like watermelon? This whole place is going to be planted with watermelons and pumpkins all come summer. I'm exhausted. Thank you for watching.